Hi, I'm Amy Karanik, a Sculpey brand ambassador. Let's take a look at the sculpting tool set. This 8-piece sculpting tool set has traditionally been used for pottery projects, but it also has unique applications for oven-baked clay. This set is perfect for cutting, carving, shaping, sculpting, and detailing oven-baked clay before baking. Let's look at the tools one by one. The steel scraper is great for sectioning large pieces of clay. It's also good for lifting finished projects from a sticky work surface. It's also good for smoothing and trimming clay shapes. The ribbon tool has cutters on each end. There's a square end ribbon tool and a loop end. This is great for light cutting and for trimming. I used it to create this wavy pattern in the background of my bas-relief piece. The needle tool is really versatile. I like to use it for scoring textures into clay, like these little seed pods at the top of my flowers. It's also great for bead piercing, or you can even use it as a slimline cutter to make small shapes in a sheet of clay. I can use it to make a little leaf that I can add to my bas-relief sculpture. And then I can use it again to score texture to make the leaves have little veins and details. This wood modeling tool has two different detailing ends. There's a long pointed end and then a flat scoop end. I used it here in the flower petals to score deep lines and to make really organic shapes in my little flower petals. You can do the same thing with the scoop end by rolling it across the clay. The loop tool is great for trimming and refining shapes and also for controlling wall thicknesses if you're making a vessel. I'm using it here to score and clean up a little more of an organic edge to my finished tile. This is a potter's rib. It's a traditional sculpting tool. It's got a nice fine edge all the way around with some different contours. Those are great for making different indentations and details in clay. There's a traditional wire cutter included in the kit. This is great for sectioning really big pieces of clay and for cutting pots off of a traditional pottery wheel. The last tool is the sponge, which is great for applying antiquing medium to finished oven-baked clay pieces. It's also great for smoothing the surfaces of air-dry clay with some water for clay sculptures. The sculpting tool set is great for all types of projects from jewelry to home decor.